Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to meet you. Unfortunately, not in person because I'm traveling today, but I'm very happy to tell you about sustainable local aquaculture made by 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚. If you ask what is 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚, 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚 is first of all a fish farm. We farm carp and trout. So aquaculture is absolutely the basic action that we do, and that is the very basis for all other aspects of our activities. Based on our own farmed fish, we have a small processing plant which delivers fish to our own restaurant, our shops. I'll tell you a bit later about it, and about over 100 of restaurants in the area of 100 kilometers away. So that's the whole big puzzles that have to go together, and they work like this all year long. 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚 is not simply a human activity. It's not simply a way of earning money. It's a way of life, and this 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚 is also a part of the landscape. As you see on the pictures, it really goes into the local area. The pond area is of about 400 hectares, so it's a piece of the land. The ponds exist from 19th century. The first written historical documents say that in 1870 there already were carp ponds in this area. So the fish farm since then hasn't changed much. The way of producing carp hasn't changed much. It is still based on natural production, which is plankton and additional feeding of grain that we buy from the local producers, local farmers, mostly wheat and other species of grain. So we really belong to this area, so we cannot separate it. You just cannot see it in anywhere else. Carp farming itself is also ecosystem based, so it's part of the ecosystem. There are a number of animals and plants that are strictly connected with water environment. Also a lot of animals that like fish as much as we do, like cormorants and herons, and also beavers that really feel very well in this area. All of this ecosystem is strictly connected with our activity. So without carp farming, without using this area to produce fish, this huge area of water wouldn't exist. So it all goes together. Even large NGOs like WWF admit that carp farming is absolutely crucial for keeping the ecosystem value of these areas. So what we do, it's a way of life more than a business. And every day our fish farmers guard the ponds, and they have to monitor the ponds and go together with the rhythm of the nature that we have. Why are we so innovative? Why are we so special? Most of the fish farms sell their fish to the big processing plants, and that's it. We invest in the market, in the local market, all around 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐧𝐚. I mentioned already that we deliver the fish 1 or 2 times a week to the restaurants and local shops in a range of about 100 kilometers. We have our own shop, which is situated just 1 kilometer from our small processing plant, fish processing plant, as well as our restaurant that is in the same place. It's all very close together because the value number one is freshness. During COVID time, we didn't want to just sit down and cry. We invented our mobile shops, which stayed together with us until now. And they deliver our fish to a number of small villages and cities all around, selling our fish directly from our small fish farm. And we have delivered really a huge number of different products, like marinated fish and different pâtés and pastas, really a range of products based on our own fish that also function very well and is also valued by our customers. Do we see the potential in Pustelnia? Yes. I think the fish that is delivered ultra fresh, locally farmed, with a very short value chain is something that has the potential. We don't want to develop the production further, so we will not intensify the production, we will not produce more fish, but we think that there's still a lot of room to deliver more products, more innovative products, to serve the fish in a very nice way in our own restaurant and in other restaurants, and make Pustelnia a center of wonderful, fresh, healthy, and very nice looking and very nice smelling, very tasty fish. Thank you very much. That was the short introduction, and I would like to invite you to see a short video about Pustelnia that was produced in this BioRural project. Enjoy watching. Thank you.